Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about 10 ways to repair your skin barrier. So before starting this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel to join our family. Having a thicker skin is the best defense against sensitivities, but how do you restore your barrier? Here's the expert guide. It may not look like it on the surface, but your skin is constantly hard at work. The toughest job is of the uppermost layer, the skin barrier. Much like a security guard for your skin, the barrier is there to stop potential problems passing through, and to protect what lies within, and it's the weakness of this shield that is the underlying cause of sensitive skin. A thin, weak or damaged skin barrier allows irritants in, or irritates more easily, and so building up this surface layer could be the key to reducing skin sensitivity long term. In addition, when we're wearing a mask, our skin barrier needs to work extra hard to stop bacteria working its way in, and causing the dreaded masking. The stratum corneum is a specialized layer that forms the outermost part of our epidermis, explains cosmetic dermatologist Dr. Sam Bunting. It's a vital frontline, protecting us against the perils of the environment, UV, pollution, infection, toxic chemicals and so on. On a more superficial note, it's the bit that we see, so it's very important from a cosmetic point of view. Why do some people have a weaker barrier? Aside from those environmental stressors, it could be down to your age or coloring. Your skin barrier weakens with age. Dr. Howard Murad, board-certified dermatologist and founder of Murad Skincare, tells me. Ultimately, it's about hydration. We're born with a body composed of 75% water, yet die with closer to 0%. We dry up as we get older. Plus, generally, the whiter or paler the skin, the thinner the barrier, which means you're more prone to rashes, redness and irritation. Sensitive or not, building up the skin's outer barrier will always benefit the appearance of the skin, but it's the increased resilience that we fragile folk so desperately need. Dr. Bunting explains why. If your skin barrier is working well, it will retain water effectively, maintaining good hydration balance, and be resilient yet flexible. It's likely to look more radiant as a consequence. This means it contains the right amount of lipids, and the right amount of natural moisturizing factor. If it's not, skin will look dry, dull and possibly scaly. This means chemicals can penetrate more readily and potentially cause inflammation, which manifests as skin sensitivity. These patients will often complain of stinging or redness, especially in context of using certain skincare ingredients. Number 5. Go back to basics. Dr. Bunting says overcomplicated routines are just asking for trouble. Keep it simple for effective, nurturing skincare. Take a long, hard look at your beauty practices. Paring your routine right back is key. Get rid of products with astringents, like alcohol and witch hazel. And avoid foaming cleansers, which leach away our natural moisturizing factor. Try Pai's 100% detergent-free Camellia and Rose Gentle Cream Cleanser. Number 4. No scrubs. I'd recommend cutting right back on physical exfoliation. So many people are using brushes and cleansing cloths too harsh for their skin type and developing problems as a consequence, advises Dr. Bunting. Ditch the hardcore brushes and go old school with a fresh flannel, or if you really like your gadgets, try the Foreo Luna Ultra Sensitive. It's smooth enough that it's more like a massage for your skin. Number 3. Mind your pH. Detergents, e.g. sodium lauryl sulfate, are my biggest no-no, says Sarah Brown, founder of sensitive skin range Pai Skincare. They strip the skin of its natural oils, leaving the barrier dry, exposed and susceptible to irritation. They also have an alkalizing effect on the skin, throwing off pH balance and disrupting the skin's natural processes. Active acids, such as salicylic acid for example, should also be avoided as these remove the top layers of skin. Number 2. Do some damage limitation. It's not just about building the barrier up. You also need the ingredients that will minimize any incoming stressors to look after it in the long run. Protecting against free radical damage can help maintain a strong skin barrier, so look for antioxidants in your products. If you have sensitive skin, natural extracts with powerful antioxidant properties are a good option, e.g. natural vitamin E, explains Sarah Brown. Dr. Murad agrees, as well as the lipids you need good antioxidants, and anti-inflammatories, vitamins A, C, and E, green tea extract, or even food such as ginger, pomegranate, and colorful fruit and veg will help. Number 1. Supplement your diet. Thanks to Japan's forward-thinking nutraceutical companies, you don't have to rely on topical applications to boost the skin. Ceramides are present in many of the foods we eat including wheat and rice, but the problem is that we cannot get sufficient quantities to optimally rejuvenate skin, explains Shabir Daya of Victoria Health. The good news is that wheat ceramides are identical to those on the skin. Unlike topical creams or wheat germ oil that enjoy limited efficacy, oral ceramides are absorbed into the skin from within. In trials, 95% of participants experienced complete rehydration of stubbornly dry, flaky skin after 90 days with total elimination of itching and cracking. Try these skin-restoring ceramides. Essential fatty acids or omegas can be taken as a supplement, too. They're anti-inflammatory, so help calm skin, or soothe aggravating conditions from the inside out, explains PI's Sarah Brown. They also help prevent water loss that can lead to irritation and discomfort. I take an oil form straight from the spoon, and always store mine in the fridge to keep it at its best. EFAs are very fragile and prone to oxidizing. Comment below and let us know, what do you think about our list? If this video was helpful, please like the video, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.